Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Steven from Simple Tech. So today I'm going to show you how you can hide your taskbar on the Windows machine. So taskbar is this bottom bar. Some people may place it on the upper side of the screen, but in most cases you'll find it on the bottom of the screen, and this is where you can any active window is docked in. So if you want to hide it, maybe you want to record a full screen on your machine, you just right click on the taskbar, go to taskbar settings, then you can toggle or automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode. So it will automatically hide the taskbar, but if you hover over the bottom or where the taskbar is placed, then it will appear. Once you place the cursor outside the taskbar menu, then it hides automatically. You can also do that hide taskbar in the tablet mode. So if your machine or your laptop has a tablet mode, you can decide to automatically hide the taskbar once you launch the tablet mode. There are so many other options you can use. You can also decide to use a small taskbar button. For example, maybe you have so many applications that are docked into the taskbar. You may want to use the small buttons so that you can see all your applications from one screen. And that is how simple you can hide and unhide taskbar, plus other important settings for your taskbar. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and until next time, goodbye.